Hi, I'm Lisa and this is an Appetizing Live, and today I'm making the most delicious, the most fluffy, yummy blueberry pancakes ever. So let's get started. Okay, I'm so happy we're making fluffy pancakes today. Now, before I get started, you can mix these by hand or you can take a hand mixer and do that. I am using a stand mixer, courtesy of Wolf Gourmet. Thank you very much, Wolf Gourmet. I love this product. So we're gonna mix it in the big stand mixer and I'll see that in a little bit. So let's get started. I've got my all-purpose flour, organic flour, sugar, baking powder, and a little salt. Then I'm gonna put all the wet ingredients together. So I have my milk, 1 egg, and I've melted some butter. And I wanna mix that really well. Trying to turn it so you can see it without spilling. Technique, I'm getting strong too, all that whisking. There we go. So it's all blended really well. So I'm gonna put the bowl in. I love how easy it is to just raise that up so that it can get in there and do its thing. We're gonna turn it on low to start. And I'm just gonna slowly stream that in. Turn it off, and we're ready to add the blueberries. There's my batter, and I'm gonna gently fold in my blueberries. And we're ready to head to the griddle. Griddle's hot, over a medium heat. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter in there. Just kind of get that going. You can use olive oil too if you'd like, but the butter's gonna give it a little bit more of a brown. And I'm just gonna come in, see if I can do this and not be too messy. This is probably about a 1/4 cup of batter. I'm just gonna do 3. So my grandmother told me, we'll see if grandma's right, when the edges start to look cooked and you have little bubbles happening, that's when your pancake is ready to flip. You can blame my grandma if that's not right. These are ready. All right, I added a little syrup. I'm so excited. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you know every time I put out a new video, which is every Friday. And if you want more videos, or even better than that, 2 things that'll go really well with this, you can click one of the 2 videos above. And you know what I have to do? It is what? It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's time for blueberry pancakes, because any time is time for blueberry pancakes. Come on now. Don't fight me. Oh yeah. I'll see you in the next video. Yum!